All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the 91 Mitsubishi Pajero. Yeah, you've got your nice little glove box here with fun. You got your O-ship bar here, which is nice. Altimeter.
This is your wobbly gauge.
Yeah, so you can see if you're gonna flip over, what your incline, decline. Yeah, whatever the
incline gauge.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, inclinometer.
Inclinometer.
And then you've got another fancy, funky Japanese gizmo there, but we have no idea what that does.
That's the compass, but it needs to be reset. CD player.
So if you want to play your compact discs.
And MP3s. This is straight out of 2003.
Sweet. Pop in your old MP3 discs.
Yeah, 2.5 liter turbo diesel with an intercooler.
That's the best part, the intercooler.
Keeps it running nice and cool.
Now,
every amenity except for cruise control.
But let's talk about the amenity that you're sitting on, Ross.
Oh yeah, these have suspension seats.
Look at that.
It's awesome.
It's one of the most comfortable drives that you'll ever have, next to maybe a luxury Maybach or something like that.
Then it has 3 suspension settings down here. It's you can change them as you're driving. So there's soft, which shows up over here in the gauge. Then there's medium.
See it right there in the middle.
And then there's H for I don't know.
Heavy?
Heavy sport? I don't know.
I don't either.
I'm not sure what it's.
But there they are.
Right down there. You got 2 cigarette lighters because, of course, this is a Japanese vehicle.
And one is never enough.
This is a 2-wheel drive, or you can drive in all-wheel drive mode, which is just 4 high, like that. And then there's 4 lock, 4 high lock, and 4 low locked.
So right now we're in 4 high?
Yep, we're in 4 high. So this is good for like when it's snowy outside, or raining, or whatever you need a little extra traction. 4 high lock is for off-road, and then 4 low lock is for maximum traction.
And for those that speak Japanese, you've got your shift indicators here on this side. It's all in Japanese. Actually, I don't know if that's the case or not, but there is Japanese writing here.
It's a 4-speed automatic as well.
And the other fun part are the electronic wizardry for the HVAC.
Climate control.
Yeah, you've got all kinds of little buttons that do all kinds of fun little foot defrost, face, foot face, recycle your air, etc. So instead of having little knobs like you do up here, you've actually got push buttons, what some people really like.
Yeah, you've also got power mirrors over here. And you have your rear wiper here, your front, your wipers here, your turn signals and headlights over here. And you've got power windows on it. Power brakes.
Excellent.
And a glorious sunroof over here.
That's right.
It's huge.
It's massive.
Like, a horse could fit through there. But getting onto the highway here. Nice and smooth. There's 60 miles an hour.
Keep in mind, this is in kilometers.